Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase your Coinbase limit. To begin, you'll need to verify your identity. This crucial first step involves providing a government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Completing this initial verification is essential for unlocking higher transaction limits and accessing more advanced features on the platform, setting the foundation for your increased trading capacity. Coinbase operates with different verification levels, each offering varying transaction limits. Basic verification typically allows you to buy and sell up to a few $1,000s weekly. To achieve significantly higher limits, you'll need to complete advanced verification, which involves providing additional personal details. Successfully navigating these levels is key to expanding your trading capabilities on the platform. To further increase your limits, Coinbase may request additional information. This often includes submitting proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, to confirm your residency. You might also be asked to provide details about your occupation and the source of your funds. Always ensure all submitted documents are clear, valid, and current to avoid any delays in the process. After submitting all necessary documentation, Coinbase typically reviews your information within a few business days. You will receive an email notification confirming the status of your limit increase. Once approved, you can enjoy significantly higher daily and weekly transaction limits, often reaching tens of thousands of dollars, allowing for greater flexibility in your cryptocurrency activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.